east. If the time at Banjul 10 degree west is 8 p.m., calculate it time at A. Abuja 97 degree east, B. Town 132 degrees east. Solution: the longitude of Banjul 10 degrees west from the prime meridian 00 is 8 p.m. while the longitude of Abuja from the prime meridian is 97 degrees east. Since the two have different longitude of west and east, we add the two. We now have 10 plus 97, which will give us 107. We now divide 107 by 15 to give us the 7 times 15 will give us 105. 107 minus 105 will give us 2. 2 times 8 will give us 2 times 4 will give us 8 minutes. So we now have 7 hours 8 minutes. We subtract 7 hours 8 minutes from the time in Banjul, which is 8 p.m. which we now have we add, which now have 8 a.m. plus 7 hours 8 minutes, which will give us 15 hours 8 minutes. Then to get the Katan, we have that the longitude from the prime meridian 00 to Lagos is 10 degrees, and the longitude from 00 prime meridian to Katan is 135. Since the two have different longitudes, we add 10 plus 132, which gives us 142. We divide 142 by 15, which gives us 9. 9 times 15 gives us 135. Then 142 minus 135 will remain 7. Times 7 by 4 minutes to give us 28. So we now have 9 hours 28 minutes. We add, since the two have the different longitude, we add 8 a.m. to 9 hours 28 minutes, which will give us 5:28 p.m. East-west. If the time at Lagos 13 degrees east is 8 p.m., calculate the time at Monrovia 65 degrees west, B. Freetown 115 degrees west. Solution: the longitude from Lagos from the prime meridian 00 to Lagos is 13 degrees east, while the longitude from the prime meridian 00 to Monrovia is 65 degrees west. Since the two have different longitude, we now add the two, which we now have 65 plus 13 to give us 78 degrees west. So since we have gotten, now divide 78 by 15 to give us 15 times 5 will give us 75. 75 minus 78 will give us 70 minus 78 will remain 3. 3 times 4 minutes will give us 12. They have 5 hours 12 minutes. We now minus, since they are now operating in different longitude, we have 8 hours minus 5 hours 12 minutes, which will give us 2 hours 45 minutes. The next one is calculate for free time. From free time, we now have that the time from free time to is the longitude of Lagos from Freetown is 13 degrees while the longitude of Freetown from the prime meridian 00 is 151 degrees. Then since they have the different longitude we add, we now have 151 plus 13 to give us 243. So we divide 243 by 15 to be given 10. 10 times 150 give us 10 times 15 give us 150. 150 minus 162 will give us 13. 13 times 4 will give us 56 minutes. So we now have 10 hours 56 minutes. We now add 8 a.m. to 10 hours 56 minutes to give us 9 hours 04 minutes. So calculation of longitude when time is given. 1. The time of two locations or town or place must be given. 2. Find the difference between the two towns in hours. 3. Relate the difference or answer question in number 2 above to the formula. 4. Find if any of the locations has more hours. 5. The location has more hours, it should belong to longitude east. 6. The location that has less hours should belong to longitude west. Example: if the time at Owerri is 10 hours and the time at Aba is 3 p.m., calculate the longitude. A. Aba. B. Owerri. Solution: time at Aba equals to 3 p.m., which is 15 hours. Time at Owerri is equals to 10 p.m., which is 10 hours. We minus to get Owerri to Aba. The difference from Owerri to Aba is 5 hours. 1 degree is equals to 4 minutes. 4 minutes is equals to 1 degree. 15 degrees is equals to 1 hour. 1 hour is equals to 15 degrees. For 5 hours is equals to 15 times 5 will give us 75. Therefore, Aba is 75 degrees east, Owerri is 75 degrees west. Example: if the time at Ibeme is 12 noon, at the time at Alude is 8 p.m., calculate the longitude along A. Alude, B. Ibeme. Solution: time at Ibeme